Okay, last page. Number 15, girls. Number 15. JC rolled a fair six-sided number cube numbered 1 through 6 several times and recorded the data in the table below. Which statement about this situation is true? So how many total do we have in this frequency? How many times did she roll? The frequency. So we add all of these numbers up together.
22.
Should be 20. So you've got, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I added 2.
So then A says the experimental probability of rolling a 6 is less than the theoretical probability of rolling a 6. So experimental means we're looking at this table. So what's the experimental probability of rolling a 6? 4 out of 20. Which would be 1/5. And then the theoretical probability of rolling a 6. If you just roll a dice, what's the chance you'll land on a 6? 1 out of 6. So the probability of rolling a 6 is less than the theoretical probability of rolling a 6. Not true. B, the experimental probability of rolling an odd number. So what's the experimental probability of rolling an odd number? We've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 over 20 is less than the theoretical probability of rolling an odd number. Should be 3 over 6. So your experimental probability is just a little bit bigger than your theoretical. Theoretical would be 1/2. Experimental is just a little bit higher. So it's not going to be B. C, the experimental probability of rolling a 5. So that would be 2 out of 20.
That's right.
Is less than the theoretical probability of rolling a 5, which would be 1 over 6. So the experimental, if we reduce it down, would be 1/10. So 1/10 compared to 1/6, that would be true. That would be less than 1/6. Or D, the experimental probability of rolling a 2 is greater, so that would be 1 over 20, is greater than the theoretical probability of rolling a 2. No, it should be C.